back to my channel. This is Sarah from Sarah's Wifestyle, and today I have a organization video for you guys today. So I've showed you guys this in a few of the vlogs. I'm gonna show you guys right now, but first, like and subscribe, you guys. That really helps me out. I really appreciate it. Each time you guys subscribe, I love it, okay? And you guys are gonna like this video, period, okay? So here we go. So I have a house tour on my channel, but hey. I am in my master bedroom or bathroom right now, and I want to organize all of this stuff right here, okay? So I have this little area, it's dusty. I have all of my skincare products right here, my waxing stuff, I mean everything, okay? So I wanna clean this up and just and organize it. So I got these things from, what's it called? The Container Store, and I'm about to show you guys. But you guys are gonna watch me do this because I feel like it's such a, hey babe. I feel like it's such an eyesore when you walk in and you just see this. So I'm gonna make it look cute. So let me go show you guys what I'm about to use. Okay, so all together I got 3 of the little ones and 2 of the big ones, but I'm thinking I'm only gonna use these for the bathroom and I'll use the other 2 for another area in the house. But I purchased these from the Container Store. These are brand new. I still need to take the stickers off, so I'll do that before I film everything. But I'm basically gonna use that for all my skincare. I take very good care of my skin, you guys. I'm a licensed esthetician, so all that stuff is professional, and I literally wax myself, my body, I tint my brows. So it's very important for me to have all that stuff, okay? So that's what it is. And actually, I might even come in here and, cause like, look, I need to clean that stuff out. So you guys, you know what? I might as well just do it. But yeah, so I'm just gonna take this time. We just got back from, I actually washed my car. Her name is Snow. I washed Snow today, and we went down to the Greenway and let Oliver ride his bike and walked Charlie. So we've been having a really good relaxing day. I just ate a whole entire like seafood plate, so I'm very full right now. But let's get going with this video.
Thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling. All because of you. You and I were so sweet, so sweet. Talking till we asleep, asleep. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. Cause you really get me, make me fall to my knees, every night.
As you guys can see, I'm snatched, okay? Snatched. But I wanted to tell you guys, this is a mixture of Dawn soap and some water, okay? That's really all you need. I'm just cleaning and getting all like the little cracks and stuff like that because I don't want it to be dirty. Yuck.
Wait a minute, I can let you go before I kiss ya. Wait a minute, I just need a minute or 2. I should catch up on my reading. I should catch up on my eating. Yeah, but it's hard to keep a thought straight with you all up in my face. Try to get you out my mind, but why should I when you're all I really like? Yeah, I feel higher than a mountain, all because of you. You and I were so sweet, talking till we asleep. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. Cause you really get me, make me fall to my knees. Every night I fall deep, but love. Wait a minute, don't you leave before I get to kiss you. Wait a minute, I don't wanna be without you. Yeah, wait a minute.
So I know I'm gonna get questions about my tattoo. It is the state of California, born and raised, okay? And I've got a nice scar down the middle of it because I had back surgery, so it looks like the fault line. Okay, so now all that stuff has been scrubbed and it looks really, really good. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take all of these and I'm gonna dust all the caps and the bottles off so that they're nice and clean, because you don't want to put something that has dust right back into a clean area. So I'm going to do that, and then we're going to make it do what it do. So what I'm doing now is I'm just checking all these products and ensuring that they're still within date. So I'm making sure that they're not expired, because if they are, I'm getting rid of them, because there's no point in keeping them. Like that oil right there, expired, so it's going in the trash. My worth, I think I saw you with another. I think I saw your hand slipping down. That look, that face smiling back at you, is why you always wanna be around her. So I'm cleaning my wax machine, and I'm using my favorite wax removal, and I have all of this listed in my Amazon store, but you know, I just like to keep my wax machines nice and clean, because a dirty machine means dirty wax, in my opinion. So I always like to keep it clean, and I have plenty of videos on waxing in my aesthetics playlist, which I will link above. So I finished the bathroom, and let me show you guys what I have. It smells so good in here. I actually have, so listen, you guys know I love to clean, right? I have a cleaning lady coming to interview her to see if she will be able to come in, and we have hard water here, and I'm just so tired of it on my glass. That's my shower. So my shower, it comes all the way in here, and then it's really nice in here. But anyways, so I want them to come in like every week and do my glass shower area and clean the bathrooms, baseboards, and all that kind of stuff. So, but yeah, so that's why I didn't like clean my shower doors today, because I'm about to have them do it. But anyways, this is what it looks like. Okay, you guys ready? Here it is. Okay, so I put both of my wax machines up here, and matter of fact, let me push that back. I want it to look better. There you go. So both of my wax machines are up there. Everything is nice and clean. These worked out perfectly. So now I can just turn this. Everything is dusted off. I put all of my sticks and my kit right here. And then over here, look how good this looks, you guys. Look at that. All of my hair products. Look at that. Back there, those are all my chemical pills and all of that. So it looks really, really good. So yeah, thank you for making it through the video, you guys. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe, you guys. Go ahead and subscribe. I will see you guys next video. I have plenty of videos for cleaning motivation on my channel, so make sure you guys check out that playlist, and I will see you guys next time.